is Chris Anthony, just, 27 Warren Miller films, just our local pro skier who's also making films about untold stories of the 10th Mountain Division. He has the Chris Anthony Youth Foundation. So many things, Chris, but right now you have a different title.
Yes.
You are the GMC UMC Wrangler.
The den mother for this amazing event that's going on, and it is the GMC Ultimate Mountain Challenge, where we're trying to find the best all-around athlete in both the men and women. So this year 24 athletes took on this challenge and signed up, and the requirement is that they had to compete in 6 different competitions. One of those competitions is absolutely required, and that's the Pepe's Face Off tomorrow at 11:30. You don't want to miss it. But they had to choose 5 other events, and they for sure had to do a water event, they for sure had to do a running event, and for sure had to do a mountain biking event. So they had to figure out these calculations, figure that out, and put those together, and they are competing, and then whoever has the most points is going to be our GMC UMC champion. And the drama is building.
Okay, drama is building. So, all right, tell us the story. So yesterday we had Adrienne Love Connect on the show, and she had just won the Steep Creek Championship. So that really put her in a good lead yesterday. But how are things looking for the ladies today?
Right. So Adrienne Love Connect was awesome because she won the pro division of the Steep Creek thing, which was incredibly hard, and she collected 9 points, the maximum points. So that put her on top. But she also did the 5K dog run or something like that, collected a couple other points. She is still maintaining on top. She has 17 points, but just right behind her is fellow water person, Courtney Kieran. She's closing in, but the two of them will be sticking in the water, competing with each other, but closing in right behind them is 2 local girls, Gretchen Reeves and Kate Boyd. And Gretchen Reeves was, World Cup mountain bike racer. She's going to have an event today that's going to help her a ton. Kate Boyd is a really strong, just all-around athlete local here. And those 4 women have kind of separated themselves from the pack a little bit. But on the men's side, it's gotten crazy. And this was kind of my prediction to begin with. We have 2 local men that are literally world-class legendary athletes. In fact, Mike Closure, 59 years old, is in the Hall of Fame for mountain biking because he was a world champion way back when, but he is also one of the best eco-adventure racers in the world, on the planet. And right behind him, or actually they're tied, is Josiah Mindaw, who is another local, but world champion Xterra champion, national champion Xterra. He's in his prime, and actually rumor has it that the 2 of them are teaming up for an eco challenge, but right now they are frenemies in this event, beating each other up. And there's this guy that I've been watching, Anthony Kunkel, who's just been winning all the running events, but he's not exactly on the water thing. But we have waterman Nick Troutman, who's also a big threat and has a lot of events coming up. So the drama is building, and you got to pay attention because it's going to be fun tomorrow for the face-off.
Oh my gosh. Okay, can we just really quickly describe Pepe's Face Off? So Pepe's Run, it's a double black that's right here at the base of Vail Mountain. So really good spectating. Mm-hmm. But as a professional skier, do you run up something like that for training? Can you describe what they're going to be going through?
We actually used to train on that, run up it, but for 30 minutes they got to try to get up Pepe's Face and down as fast as they can. The record is something like 6 laps, but the course is slightly different. Josiah has that along with another guy, but so they're going to be duking it out, and that's going to take place tomorrow 11:30 right there at the base of the mountain. That's going to be worth watching because these UMC champions are going to be close in points, and they're going to be battling it out right there.
Oh man, that's going to be so exciting. Well, listen, good luck wrangling all of this information. That was a really great rundown. So thank you so much, Chris Anthony, GMC UMC Wrangler this weekend. All right, thank you so much, Chris.
Thank you.
And coming up next, we're going to take a look at what's happening with your local weather forecast. Look at what these Ultimate Mountain Championship Challenger athletes have against them for weather this day. But sunny. It's going to be sunny.
It's all going to be sunny.
It's going to be great. Let's take a look.